Welcome back. The Prime Minister Commodore Barengem Bainimarama has told the people of Oneilau that whilst a regular shipping services is a hindrance to the development on the island, the Lau Group as a whole, government working hard to rectify the problem. He said it is a challenge for government and they are not losing faith with what they need to do to improve services to the islands. He urged the people not to lose faith because their developments will come to their islands.
The Prime Minister and his delegation visited the village of Ndoi in Oneilau after an invitation was sent to Commodore Bainimarama to open the Ndoi Women's Group Hall. Upon arrival at the village, Commodore Bainimarama was dressed in fine mats in a tradition called Tambu Kaisi by the women of Ndoi, upon which he was led to the village green for a flag-raising ceremony by the children of Ndoi School. The Prime Minister was accorded a traditional ceremony of welcome, after which he had informal discussions with the villagers.
Kuri sakatunga ni lakalako kito alako sakatu mekin ng bagsayo kito may chini sa kaindoy. Nabe ito yun na tulaw kito dalata ng bagsayo kito tara sa katalmay na ilakalako ngo. Bosa talchugo ibida me kito na tara talen simbar ni dapo na mbaki. Ni kilam na sa chukun sa kito mutugi ono chunang bagsaw chi asing chigo na itubutuba me kito lako bi ono sa dalamay na ilakalanggo sing kito kire me kito lako may sa tugun nga ni kito me kito lako may alevan data kan na maramang minista ni sarawara kito chukun na maramang indoy mulo ko may sa long may kinong sa mabi na wale bukla ni datalangan nung na may biso tarak talkina sakit ubi tal-tal apa na turang minista na komisna paterton tu velisle si may matuku na kami na noa sarto ngol listale subam betni andon may ato nga matuku na ilakalako ni bisiko sa kito kuchikito sa mengo na non rabisure china marama watakin na buno no sa uwa na kinabwalew ni lakay na bisurechi bawsa tuko na inda rendi mga tatalangan ng ono menda may bisot tara kitale sa andin dechi ko ng ono nda no bina menda bisot tara kitu nga bang ono bimawa sa uwa binata ka wale na bidingomi uwa binata ka wale na bibaturang atake.
The Tui Ono, Asaeli Tawawili, said the people of Ono were so happy to have the Prime Minister visit them again and would use the opportunity to talk with him and his delegation about issues that concern their islands.
Leni Vanoa, Severai Tagini on the Maro Tagina, Lolo Watura, Lachumena, Loni Matanitu, as a may ono, Uniana my Vesico, Kawagina, Namai Dolavini, Wallinsonson Maram. The Maro Tagli on the Maya Valisli, kaki mami lalau tagina tua len banua mami dah mai vora tagina vera oili sile cerah lang mai nabi tembanan duindui ibi ngrabi ni muten tu era sama gini gini banu kono mami dah mai vora tagina elo ki mami vora tagina vera kaki mami lalauta kina tu me rau kina mbula ni Leone Vanua.
Whilst addressing the people after the traditional ceremony of welcome, Commodore Bainimarama said the biggest hindrance to developments in the Lau Group is the lack of a consistent shipping service, a challenge he said government is working to improve.
Sa kito siko masanga mai na via tu anilo ba sa tung sa ko kito adala tan bag saudi ibi sa tal chiko na bunu me kito na gai tarain simber dab na baki meron ni lore sa kam na kina na vi bator da kita ka da sa kani ochi na ding lambo tomasi rakau sa tal chiko na wele sile sa pang matentu na vi tamba na todo ko merare sa kamay na vi ngoni sala eso ron kulit chukin na da ni vi bator da kita kina nonda bo nuraram kito binakasaka chukin me wasumana ni tu bisiko untuk kelam nasa cuna unturang dona kai banding de tak cuna bila kaki na nonto tu wang kai sangat suni lebutiko wambo dona mata tapi nak bikum doyono na mata tapi bertu mai na puno biokan no batoa tu sako kambaro nyata na lele sangat cuna nonto wang kayo ya don mekanim boleh bikin tapi tapang kerata lesona ngoni salah merah mena to soda kitsunga kina na pingara ni bi bator da kita na taunda kuni bi korle lebu bole kito sa tsuna wa welisles pa matentu na bital nongo kito sa ni alele kina kito ni taka sa tsuni na sa tanga ni ba le tekum ni na lini bunwa wa mimbi kum do sa na nukang goyono na lele sa ni wa kan to sanga na taka ni bi bator da kita do sana ngone binango menda mebi sutaraki umara usak wale unerider na ngone nondo sulsoli tubu na matangani ko na kana wakare na kulani nondo bunwa singa matai sangani bunwa ke tu lo meke na meke tu sarap na vital nongo ando na kana marau ni alu keto kena tutoka ni match.
Around 110 eye care professionals, donors and NGOs gathered together this morning at the Studio 6 in Suva to attend a week-long Pacific Regional Eye Conference to share views, ideas and skills on how to tackle the burden of blindness in the Pacific region. At the conference, it was revealed that 8,000 persons are blind in Fiji.
The Eye Conference is an annual event where Pacific eye care workers, eye doctors and eye nurses from all around the region in the Pacific, they come together in this workshop in these few days where they share together their skills, they network and talk about common things which are of common interest to them in their daily work in furthering the eye care agenda, that is for prevention of blindness eye care services within the region. So it's mostly continuous professional development activities where nurses and doctors learn side by side together and learn how to deal with common issues that they face in their respective countries.
Blindness is a growing problem in Fiji and the Pacific, with 80,000 people who are blind in the Pacific. In Fiji alone, there are about 8,000 people who are blind.
The commonest cause of blindness in the Pacific and so as in globally in the world is cataract. Cataract is the commonest cause, and the treatment for cataract is to do surgery to remove the cataract and put intraocular lens implant, and this can be achieved by a simple surgery. And so doctors from around the region learn how to do this surgery so that the rate of blindness can be reduced.
The Pacific Eye Institute has a center in Fiji providing an opportunity for our optometrists to learn and upskill with specialists.
Other messages will be, we'd really love to have the eye care agenda profile to be raised, and we want to create awareness and to tell the general public that eyes is a very important organ in the body, and without eyes you cannot see or do whatever you're doing. So it is important to keep the health of your eyes up to peak level, and make sure that you, whenever you have eye problems, go to the eye clinics as soon as possible before it gets worse.
The 110 participants are from Samoa, Tonga, Solomon, Vanuatu, Kiribati, Cook Islands, Tokelau, East Timor, Papua New Guinea, Australia and New Zealand, and Fiji. The Pacific Region Eye Conference theme is the future of eye care in the Pacific and will end on the 25th of June 2011. Stay with us. The Prime Minister opens the Ndoi Women's Hall, and Netball Fiji presents their Itatau ahead of their departure for the World Championships in Singapore.